Water Wednesdays is on location in the Freehill St. Stephen's Hill area, earmarked for the next major capital works project for the Barbados Water Authority. What they're installing here is a major transmission line. You may see some orange signs in the road. They are already doing those markings for this transmission line, which will take water to the higher elevations, those areas challenged with water outages and low pressure in recent time. To speak to me specifically about what is happening here, we have Shelley Parris. She's an acting project manager with the Barbados Water Authority. Shelley, this has been long in coming to try to improve that service for those customers living in the higher elevations of Barbados.
Yes, what we're doing here is that we're going to be installing a new 20-inch diameter main, which would facilitate increased water production coming from the Ionics freshwater desalination plant in Spring Garden, and facilitate that water being delivered directly to our St. Stephen's Reservoir here up the hill.
Okay, so that's where we're heading now?
Yes.
Okay, so when you have that installed, what will that mean for those customers that we were saying have been troubled for some time getting water, especially in times when there's a dry season or in times of drought?
Yes, what it will mean is that we will have more water available to push into, more specifically, the Shop Hill system, which means that we'll be delivering from Spring Garden to our pumping station over here, to our reservoir over here, sorry. And this pumping station behind us will then deliver it on, higher on and across the west coast, which will then facilitate going to the higher elevations via other pumping stations. Because our system is made up of a system of storage points and relays, which delivers the water from sources to the customers.
Okay, so how many weeks are we talking about in making sure that we take this project from start to finish?
We should be somewhere between about 4 to 6 weeks, starting in early March.
But that work does mean that there will be some discomfort for those residents living in this Freehill area. What should they expect as these capital works go ahead?
Well, you will have some noise from the actual cutting of the trenches and some additional dust. But we will do our best to try to keep the area wet down to minimize the dust and the, good evening, the inconvenience to the customers and the school nearby.
Okay, well, so that is what is happening here in Freehill. Of course, the Barbados Water Authority has been going door to door, passing on that information to you, and we will continue to do that right here on Water Wednesdays. To view this or a previous episode again, please visit our website, www.barbadoswaterauthority.com. You can go to our Facebook page as well and get additional information. Or just type Water Wednesdays in YouTube, you can definitely find us there.